My name is Irving Johnson. I've been doing this for 52 years, and I enjoy doing this. But now, there's no more shoemakers around no more. The schools are closed. All the trade schools, we don't have no trade schools here in Washington. I would like to see someone come up with people still wearing shoes, and I don't understand why they don't have a shoemaker school. The generation now is a lot of different from my generation. Way different.
Yeah,
the generation of the day, terrible.
They don't want to work. Mr. Duke, I mean, he's an institution. This is what he does. He's the best at what he does. You don't have to second guess the work. If the work is done on site, you don't have to take it to a cleaners and they bring it back to you when they get ready and you're excuses. It's real deal. It's, you know, this is what it's all about. It's an institution. And it's a craft that other kids need to know. Some of the kids who out there that don't have anything to do need to know how to do this, because everybody gonna wear shoes if you have feet. So it's a necessity, and we thank God we got him.
Well, work keeps me young. I hope everybody could work. There'll be a lot of young people out here.